Alright, so as you can tell, we are, I guess you can say, out here in the wild. And there's a beautiful fox, and we are here to check on the MR-63 Metro trains. These are out here in the wild, as I guess you can say here. Probably the best way to explain it, and or describe it rather. So these are the MR-63 Metro trains, and these are supposed to be moved to Southwest Montreal shortly as part of a preservation project, and they don't really look very well preserved to me. And I'm going to say right now, whoever decided to keep them out here and expose these trains to not just the elements, you know, the rain and snow and the ice and all that, but to these graffiti artists, I'm not going to call them artists, these people that are vandalizing these trains here with all these tags and whatnot. I mean, it was a really bad decision. They should have kept these somewhere safe inside. And of course, the MR-63s were the oldest, or the original rolling stock of the Montreal Metro system, now retired. Now we have the MR-73s that are the oldest stock, and there's quite a few of them here. I'll show you guys on the side in a minute. But yeah, it's pretty disappointing, you know, and I think they should have definitely kept these indoors and in better hands. So this is apparently going to be used as some kind of cafe or some kind of installation in Southwest Montreal. Should be starting to be built. The construction should start maybe this year. I don't know. Are they going to clean them up? Are they going to give them, you know, fresh paint? Are they going to restore them? I really don't know, but it's a shame to see them like this. And of course, there is other MR-63s that are around. There are other ones. There's one in Expo Rail, which is the railway museum just to the south of Montreal, St. Constant. And there's also one in Montreal, the island of Montreal, at the University of Montreal campus. And there's a couple of other ones, I think, laying around. There's one in another part of Quebec, and there's another one, or a couple, in, I think there's a skate park, the Thse skate park, somewhere located in Montreal, I believe. So they're scattered everywhere. Oh, we got two foxes now. Look at that. Look at this, hiding, peeking. They're curious. Look at that, eh? Oh, anyways, so yeah, I don't know what's going to happen here. I don't know if they're going to preserve these properly once they're installed as a public art or public installation project. But I'll tell you, it's not really pleasant to see this. It is nice to see them again, though, and that's why I decided to check on them. And if you want to see them, they're here on de la Vérendrye Boulevard in LaSalle. Just there's the water treatment plant. Get a view here of, I guess you could say, the front, the cab area. And there they are. And I decided to come here to film these at sunset, as I think the lighting was perfect. So there they are, MR-63 trains. Hopefully they will be restored and respected. Alright, thanks for watching, everybody.